Hey guys and girls, welcome to this video about big data and value. In this video I will tell you what companies can expect of value from big data. So let's get started. Alright, an increasing complexity and in global competition makes a tool like big data more relevant than ever before for companies. The data can help make a strategic choice which a company not could make without the data. The rise of putting more social processes into different sites as Facebook, LinkedIn, makes data more accessible and provide us with far more control and knowledge than we could believe about where and what different segments of people respond to. Hereby, it can enlighten us in how much a customer wants from a product and how cheap it should be, making product marketing, and adaptability to other markets a much easier process. This is where big data help us, which is a ton of data put together to provide a pattern. Big data can best be described based on 4 V's: volume, variety, velocity, and last but not least, value. The 3 first V's, volume, variety, and velocity, refers to that big data has to have a lot of volume and often a lot of rarity in the data. And then they have to come or be created at a certain speed, though it is really the value that is interesting. What do you get out of big data? Well, it's different depending on if you sit in a marketing department, work with innovation, or is in a production. Equal for all these areas is that big data can create some sort of value. You can categorize this value into 6 areas, which I'll go through right now. So let's go through the first value, the value of operational knowledge. It could simply be data concerning that a supplier not is able to deliver all its products in time next week due to there's a shortage of materials in the supplier. This gives some sort of operational knowledge which the company can act on. As such, big data can provide a tool to make a fast decision on operational level. Next, we have the value of productivity. With the right knowledge, it's easier to shorten processes in a production. Hereby, a data example in combination with a tool as Six Sigma analysis or Lean can help provide insight into if we can shorten a process or avoid repeating a process if we can change the setup in the production a little. Then we have the value of knowing the customers. Big data can provide a lot of insight into understanding the customers' needs and wants. Example, it is possible to tell how a certain area will vote in an election, or if an area has a bigger tendency to buy ecological or don't care even about it. This provides a whole new level of insight into how customers behave and act and what they want, which we can use to either sell more or provide a better service to the customers. Next, we have the value of making a decision. Data can help make a better decision, especially when it comes to what people prefer. Hereby, it can help decide if you should create or make watch which should be out of gold or silver. It is even possible nowadays to build a simple AI which can make decision based on the data it has been provided. Kind of like Terminator. Hereby, via big data, decision making can be made a lot easier. The value of innovation. A new product might be able to be created, a new segment might be able to be found based on big data. This is due to the patterns that can be found in big data. Furthermore, then companies can use the data to simulate different scenarios where they can test the cost of the products and the material of the product. If it is produced from a certain material or from a specific area, might be a benefit as well. Last but not least, we have the value of adapting. In a global world, a company has to adapt to new tendencies fast. One way of doing that is to know what is happening before others know it. You can know that by using big data. Hereby, data can help build a system up which can warn when a competitor is coming with a new product. Example via social media program like Meltwater, where I can see all the messages about based on a specific keyword on Facebook, LinkedIn. Alright guys and girls, that was something about what value you can expect from big data. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please remember to comment, subscribe, or even dislike if you didn't like it. Thank you very much for watching, and keep watching for the next video in the series.